battle through the long dark night, and faith has reached its end. You cried, "Oh Lord, I can't go on. When will this suffering end?" A weary, broken vessel, you can't sing a victory song. Then you catch a glimpse of heaven's shore, and you know it won't be long. Somewhere the birds are singing, somewhere the bells are ringing, somewhere the saints of God are free forevermore. Somewhere they said their last goodbyes, somewhere no tears can dim their eyes. I'm longing for that place, that land somewhere. Our days down here are filled with trouble, heartache on pain on every hand. Only God can know the way I take until I reach that land. So when my heart is so discouraged and I'm tempted to despair, I just think about a better day in that land prepared somewhere. Somewhere the birds are singing, somewhere the bells are ringing, somewhere the saints of God are free forevermore. Somewhere they said their last goodbye, somewhere no tears can dim their eyes. I'm longing for that place, that land somewhere. Somewhere the birds are singing, somewhere the bells are ringing, somewhere the saints of God are free forevermore. Somewhere they said their last goodbye, somewhere no tears can dim their eyes. I'm long